Hey everyone, we're making a table today. I have been interested in making a tile table for a long time, but I didn't want to create the same kind of tile table everyone usually make. I was looking for something unique, and I already had a design in mind. I found a talented homemade artist who create beautiful tile at home, and she has a fantastic website. I will leave down below. I chose some of her tile and bought some black stone to use as a base for my table. They usually use them for front garden and they are very cheap. I purchased a round wood 2 cm thick and 60 cm wide from Bunning Warehouse. To ensure the wood wouldn't bend, I made it waterproof with wood sealer. After it's dry, I was ready to try a couple of different designs with the special help from my son. I laid out a bit of tile around the table and worked through the design. After finished gluing outer area of the table with tile, I start gluing the black stone. I use liquid nail glue for the tile, which dry quickly and is good for a small job like mine. Once all the tile were in place, it was a time for grouting. Grouting is very important. Make sure grout is not soft. Put big chunk of grout then apply it on the tile. With the big sponge and water, clean the tile. I decide to use black grout. After waiting a couple of days for the grout to dry properly, I applied coat of tile sealer to make a table waterproof so I can use it outside. I found some temporary metal table leg at Bunning Warehouse. For now, I'm using this metal leg as a temporary solution. One thing I didn't make myself is table leg, but I'm planning to make wooden rainbow leg in the future to give the table a unique look. I hope you enjoyed this video and that's inspired you to create a beautiful table of your own. Please consider to subscribe so you can see how I'm making the leg for the table.